We will be adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. So when we say like denominators, that would be a fraction like, oopsies, 3/6 plus 2/6. Now when you add fractions with like denominators, that means they both have the same denominator. So we add our numerators, the top number, 3 plus 2 would equal 5, and the 6 on the bottom would stay the same. So 3/6 plus 2/6 would equal 5/6. Okay, so we can also do the same thing with subtracting. So we could have 4/8 minus 2/8. So all we do is we do the subtraction with just the numerators. 4 minus 2 equals 2 over, and our denominator stays the same, 8. Now the problem with this answer is it's not simplified. So this is where we use things from the last chapter. We have to find the factors of 2 and the factors of 8. So our factors for 2 are 1 and 2. That's it. And for 8 we have 1 times 8 and 2 times 4, and that's it for 8. So the biggest number we have in both of these, our greatest common factor is 2. So we can divide 2 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2 to get 1/4. So this is a simplified version of 2/8. We want to go from 2/8 and change it to 1/4. And that'd be the correct answer for that. Every problem that you do, you want to make sure that it's simplified. On assignments, if they are not simplified, they will be counted wrong just because that's kind of the way we're doing it. The other thing we can run into is if we have a problem like 4/5 plus 6/5. 4 plus 6 is 10, and our fifths stay the same, but this is an improper fraction. So then we have to ask ourselves, how many times can the denominator fit into the numerator? 5 can fit into 10 2 times. And there are no leftovers, so the answer would be 2. 10/5 is the same as 2, so this is the answer you'd want to have. Okay, that is adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. Thanks.